For this review, we are going to be taking a look at the Zebra ZD220 printer, Zebra's most basic printer. Let's see if it lives up to the Zebra name. When first opening the box, you will see that it comes with support cords, a power cord, a USB cord, and the printer. With this printer, Zebra is going back to the basics with mixing two key features, high-grade quality and affordability. Our first impressions of the ZD220 are, it's not as small as we expected, it has a simple interface and has limited features. We were surprised by the size and the quality of the printer. Other printers we reviewed in the past are definitely smaller and not made as well as the Zebra printer. We also noticed that the interface of this printer only has two buttons, a power button and a feed button, making it simple and easy to use. The ZD220, along with other Zebra printers, are made for high-volume printing environments like manufacturing, logistics and transportation, retail, and healthcare. It's also primarily used for printing shipping labels. Like we mentioned before, this printer's special features aren't anything special. The ZD220 has the option of adding a peeler attachment that will peel the labels off the liner for you. This is also known as peel and present mode. When purchasing this printer, you get access to Zebra Designer, which is their print software. This is a nice added bonus. It allows you to customize your labels with anything from text to RFID and fixed or variable data. When we compared the ZD220 to the ZD620, the ZD620 packs a little more punch in terms of resolution, speed, and interface options. But it is a couple $100 more than the ZD220. All in all, the ZD220 is a great starter printer. So why would you want a printer as basic as the ZD220? Because it's an affordable printer built to last. If you're looking for a good value printer that can print high volumes of labels, then check out the ZD220 desktop printer. And if you're looking for labels for your Zebra ZD220, visit smithcorona.com or give us a call at 1-800-875-7000.